Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. A little while ago I made a video and I didn't post it, and I was going to make a flint and steel fire, and apparently my Charcloth was damp because I tried for 15 minutes. I tried all kinds of different stuff. I just could not get it to light. And in frustration, I took my cricket lighter and lit it. But it took 15 minutes to do that. So what I thought I would do, I took my Charcloth and I have put it in my little container here. I'm gonna try and experiment, and I'm gonna see if I can dry this out. If I can heat it up and dry it out and still use it, or if I need to toss it and make fresh. And I'm getting ready to find that out here in just a minute. So let me get my new little stove fired up here. There it is. I probably should have put this on there first and then lit it, but that'll work. All right. So I'm gonna turn the flame up just a little bit here. It shouldn't take but just a couple of minutes to figure out if it's going to start smoking again or what it's going to do. But once it cools off and I'm ready to give it a try, I'll bring you back. So stand by, folks. Okay, folks, I believe it's done. It didn't smoke, which I'm not surprised because it's already burned up. But actually what I was wanting to do was dry it out, and I hope I did that because it got really hot. So now I'm going to give it a little test here. Hopefully I can find something here that will throw some sparks on it. Let's see what happens. Not getting much sparks here, folks. Try it on this other side. Getting sparks, but they're not landing. I'm gonna have to get them to land before I can tell if it's gonna work or not. Still not landing. Let me try this other piece of chirp. Surely I got a piece here to work good enough to throw some sparks on here. Oh yeah. Okay, let me try a different spot. See if that helps. I'm getting sparks, but they're not landing on it. So until they start landing on it, I won't know how it's going to work. Got one to land and it took off. But there it is. I don't know if you can see that or not. So let's put it in my tinder bundle here. Put some more Charcloth in there with it. Oh yeah, that worked just fine. Now what I was trying to do was I was trying to determine, because I had a great old big batch of Charcloth, and what I wondered was if I was going to have to throw it away, because like I said a while ago, I worked and worked and worked, and I kept seeing the sparks land on the Charcloth, but it just wouldn't ignite. So now that I dried it out, it seems to work, because the first one that I saw hit on the Charcloth actually caught and started burning. So apparently this was a success. Instead of throwing all this away, I can now use it again. So anyhow, thank you for joining me on this little experiment. I appreciate it. Till I see you next time, God bless you. Don't forget, tell somebody you love them, because they may not be here tomorrow. And let me give a quick shout out to my brother Eddie at Backyard Custom Knives, who made this striker for me. And I call this one my Old Faithful, because he made me a little pouch for it. Got my name on it. And I keep this in my pocket 99% of the time. I think I take it out to go to church, and not always then. But anyhow, go check out Eddie, Backyard Custom Knives. Thank you, folks. God bless.